I'm in the mechanical room, second floor. This is a house that is located in Long, South Carolina, built by one of the nation's largest builders. As you can see, as I go up the ladder, we do have batt insulation has been installed. That's good. That way, when they blow in the insulation, it doesn't come spilling out. However, this is the bathroom ceiling. There is no insulation in the ceiling of the second floor bathroom. It looks like there was. If we look at the mechanical room, then we look over this way, it looks like there's insulation installed, but there is not. So the city failed, the builder failed. This client actually hired someone to perform a home inspection pre-closing. They did not look in here. They said they did. Part of the standard of practice is you have to inspect the attic space. Shame on you, whoever that inspector was, taking their money and not doing the work that you're supposed to do. I'm going to move my ladder over to the other side of the mechanical room and look at the bedroom ceiling. Okay, here we have the bedroom ceiling, the same thing. You will never be able to condition the rooms in the second floor without any insulation installed in your attic. It is impossible. Homeowner has already verified this. This is the stairwell attic ceiling. Again, the entire second floor does not have blown-in insulation. Now, what's interesting here, besides that vent pipe that's sagging and improperly supported, that did get called out in the home inspection, it's great to have a home inspector who has a plumbing license and has been a plumber for 37 years. I am looking at these boards that they're spanning about 8 feet long, they're 2 feet apart, but I notice they're toe-nailed in place. Look at this. So we have truss construction, this is rafter construction. Someone's gonna have to stand on these boards to blow in the insulation. You think those nails are gonna hold them up? No, you're missing this. This is what should have been installed. It is a hanger for those ceiling rafters. All right, so this is all gonna have to get insulated, the boards properly supported. Beach House Home Inspections, 854-854-0049. All I do is 11-month warranty inspections and new home inspections. Call me today. I'm located in North Myrtle Beach. Like I said, this is Longs. This is one of my neighboring communities. Please have your home inspected. I guarantee you every house adjoining this townhouse is the same condition.